major pain about Delta State in general is that Delta State is too dirty. The state is dirty. Look at it. The area now. Like where animal dey stay. And they don't want to do anything about am. What is the plan? If you want build house, at least we dey know say you dey get plan of your house. What is the plan? What can we do to make Delta State clean? I never talk. See the thing for here. See tanker. Since we dey come for this matter, so not be tanker you dey see left, right, center. You see how this express big normally. Tanker don take here. Tanker don take here. Look the other lane. If you look the other lane very well, that go take truck dey the other side. You no understand? People dey die for here every day by day.